Everyone, so this is a OSPF EVNG part 2. I hope you already see the part 1. So in the part 1 just we power on the router and we write there no. So now in the part 2 we are going to do the configuration. So this is a router R1. So first we will change the name. We will write host name R1 to change the name of the router. Then we are going to assign the IP. So if you see, I have the fast Ethernet 0x0, I have the loopback 0. So this one, first I am going to assign the IP to this interface. After that we are going to learn how we can configure the OSPF. So let me write interface fast Ethernet 0x0. I will write here IP OSPF 1. First of all, let me assign the IP. I will write 192.168.12.1. Give space, write the subnet mask 255.0 and we will write no shut. Then we need to create the loopback also. So what I will do, I will create the loopback also. So let me create the loopback. Loopback is nothing but it is a logical interface. So I will create loopback 0. I will assign the IP address 1.1. Let me write again IP address 1.1.1. Then give space, write 255.0.0. So this way we assign the IP address to the R1. We will do the same thing to do the R2. So let me go in the global configuration mode of the R1 and I will change the name of the router as R2. And now we are going to assign the IP. So interface fast Ethernet 0x0. Then I will write IP OSPF 1. Let's assign the IP address. So I will write IP address and here is 12.2. So I will write 192.168.12.2. and then give space, write subnet mask 255.255.255.0 and write here no shut. After that we have one loopback, so I will write loopback 0 IP address. I will assign here, let me write here IP address 2.2.2.2, give space 255.255.255.0 and I will write here do WR to save the configuration. So in this video only we learn how we can assign the IP address. This is a OSPF EVNG part 2. In part 3 we are going to learn how we can enable the OSPF.